Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw conversations from Intercom to Airtable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing conversations from Intercom to Airtable, log in to your Intercom account. Navigate to the conversations you want to export. Use the filters to find specific conversations, if necessary. Once you've located the desired conversations, select them by checking the boxes next to each one. Look for the export option, typically found in the Actions menu. Choose the format you prefer for the export, often CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button and wait for the download to complete. Next, log in to your Airtable account. Create a new base or open an existing one where you want to import the conversations. In the Airtable base, locate the Add a Table option. Select Import Data from the menu. Choose the file format that matches the one you downloaded from Intercom. Upload the exported file, and follow the prompts to map the columns to your Airtable fields. Review the import settings to ensure everything aligns correctly. Click on the Import button to finalize the process. Once the import is complete, review the entries in your Airtable base. You can now organize, sort, and filter your conversations as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn conversations from Intercom to Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.